All right, hi everybody. 10 Tampa Bay Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins here on our Friday morning. Good Friday out there, and weekend's upon us, of course. And it looks like it's actually going to be on the warmer than normal side, and it's going to stay humid all the way through as well too. Let me turn this down just a little bit for you. Certainly going to be a little bit muggy, and we're actually going to get a couple afternoon showers and storms. It may turn out actually that we get more today, this late afternoon and early evening hours, than what we'll see over the weekend. It'll be really between today and Sunday our best chances for showers out there. So let's talk about it. We've got some warm air in place, of course. You know, temperatures already are in the lower 80s, in fact 84 already in Bartow. So yeah, there's plenty of heat out there, as you can see. We're going to keep this trend going. We'll go mid to upper 80s for highs today. Temperature forecast, you know, I don't think we'll see too many 90s. We might get one or two spots out there, but generally it's going to be a warm one. And you know it's warm and you know it's muggy when you see overnight lows in the 70s. That means the dew point is in that range, upper 60s to low 70s. And anytime that number gets in the 60s, it's a little sticky. If it's in the upper 60s to near 70, it's just downright muggy out. And there we go. You can see we're only going to drop down around 69 or 70 degrees by tomorrow morning. So here's the satellite and radar. Look what's happening over on the East Coast. We had this little wave of energy come across this morning. You can see it here. It's kind of falling apart. Came across here, actually had some showers in Citrus and Hernando County. It's starting to refire right here, just east now of Highlands County. But notice this kind of energy pushing back westward. That's going to help fire showers and thunderstorms out here. Orlando, Eastern Polk County, Highlands County. And then eventually this is all going to push back towards the coast. Now, we're starting to see a little bit of a sea breeze right along the coast right now. You can see it in these clouds. Winds are basically lighter. Started out of the northeast, they'll come a little bit out of the west, and that's going to cause this little sea breeze line, as you can see, forming right here. See how those clouds are pushing off the coast? It's those areas. There'll be some right around here out towards Riverview, right in this area here too, where we're going to watch for some showers to pop up by about 2:30, 3 o'clock this afternoon. I'll show you that coming up. Quiet right now, of course. Bigger picture, there is a small chance of severe weather in eastern Oklahoma. Now it looks like most of that's moved eastward into Memphis and Tennessee. We'll have to see if it wants to refire. The modeling, I think, suggested that it did refire, but we'll see. That's the severe weather threat for today. Nothing here for us. So here's the forecast model, right? Here we go. This is a look at this afternoon around 2:30, and there we are. See a few pop-up showers right along that line I was showing you there. That's where the sea breeze is. And then you've got this inland stuff working its way in. And you see the wind arrows kind of coming together here, and then eventually over here. That's the collision. And you can see it all filling in here, eastern Hillsborough, western Polk County, by about 5 o'clock. Now that is pretty typical summertime thunderstorm activity. Now, it's not as widespread, it's not as heavy, there's not as much moisture up there as we tend to see in the summertime. But overall, I mean, obviously it's muggy down here where we are, but even when you go up in the atmosphere, there's some moisture to work with. And so we see that. We see collisions at the surface with the wind, and we know we're going to get some showers and storms. Excuse me. But there, that's 7:30. And you can see by 7:30, the storms that have formed inland are actually pushing back towards the coast, and that's really a summertime pattern with more easterly winds, right? Excuse me. So I think about 8:30, 9 o'clock, everything's starting to fall apart. You're heading out to Bon Jovi tonight. I do expect a couple showers. In fact, let's go back just a little bit. They're playing at Amalie Arena. This is about 7:30 or so. So yeah, concert starts at 8. There will be some rain in the area getting into the arena tonight, so keep that in mind if you're heading out there. Now, tomorrow morning, weekend is here, right? 7 a.m. looks good. East to southeast winds. That's different. Today's a northeasterly wind. Tomorrow's a east to southeast wind, and that will continue to push inland with a sea breeze by the afternoon because it's a lighter wind. So you notice it started out of the southeast, but now what? Westerly winds. They're coming together. You could see a couple of showers pop up. I think it'll actually be a little bit drier tomorrow. So you see how it kind of pushes over into Polk County through the afternoon, early evening hours. This is about 7:30, 8 o'clock. So overall rain chances lower than what we have today. Now, Easter morning, Sunday. By the way, sunrise is at 7:02 on Sunday morning. And then you can see by the afternoon, here we go. We're doing it again. Eastern Hillsborough, western Polk County, showers and storms, 5, 6, 7 o'clock. And some of those will come back towards the coast as we get into Sunday night. And this is about 10 p.m. So, guys, that is a summertime pattern right there. Just not as much moisture in the atmosphere to give us widespread showers and storms. So there it is. Here's the forecast. for today. Actually going up to about 40% showers and thunderstorm chance by later today. Boating forecast actually looks pretty good. Northeast winds to the northwest around 5 to 10 knots. At northwest is that sea breeze coming on shore. Water temperatures back up to around 76 degrees. And there you go. There's the weekend forecast. Basically, I went up to about 30% chance. I think today is a little bit better chance for rain. 40%, 20% tomorrow, and then on Easter Sunday we're looking at about 30% chance. There's just some moisture lingering around. You see this dry area here up to the north? It's not pushing south. It's kind of stuck along this line. And watch this line. I'm going to go all the way out through Sunday. You're not going to see a big change. See, it actually goes north almost. There's more moisture up in the northern part of the state here. But here comes some dry air. This is Monday. The dry air is still up to our north and the west. Watch what happens by Monday night into Tuesday. Finally, we get a push of dry air. That will get rid of this really tropical air mass, lower our dew points. What you're looking at here is moisture all the way up in the atmosphere too. So it'll get rid of this. When you have this, which is moisture in the atmosphere up above us, you have warm temps, which we're going to have, all right, upper 80s, and then you have dew points in the upper 60s. That's moisture right at the surface. You put all those three together, you get showers and storms. By Monday night into Tuesday, when you push this drier air in here, you cap those. You limit the amount of moisture to work with, so it looks like we dry out Tuesday, Wednesday, this is Wednesday, Thursday looks very similar, and even Friday looks pretty dry at this particular point. So highs with the front, a little cooler. The average high temperature this time of year is 83. Close to 84. So that's what we're going to cool down to Tuesday, Wednesday, and then we're right back up by Friday, back up into the upper 80s. The dip in the dew point, that's what you will notice. It will feel a whole lot better Tuesday into Wednesday. That 50-degree dew point, if we can get that, that's going to feel a whole lot drier, less humid than anything else. And that's why, I mean, temps just aren't going to drop that much. So if you're going to feel anything, you're going to feel that lack of humidity or the lower humidity levels, let's put it that way, for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And it's going to feel good. I think it'll take all the way through Thursday for these numbers to climb through the 50s for dew points. So there's the 7-day forecast. Once we get the front through here Monday night and Tuesday, we will get a little bit of a breeze. I could probably go breezy Thursday as well too, maybe even Tuesday. Not a big deal, but we will be seeing some nice breezes along with that drier air. So it's not the cool down that we saw last weekend, right? Remember that, how cool we started off this week? But it's a similar fashion where we'll cool a little bit and we'll get some drier air. All right, any questions out there? Getting ready to do the noon show here in just a little bit. Oh yeah, I gotta put a microphone on here in a minute. So I'll probably let you guys go. Let me give you one last look at the satellite and radar for now. Ronnie, good to hear from you. Susan, Suzanne, Cassandra, Paul, what's going on? How are you? Patsy. All right, guys, have a great weekend. I'll have the latest coming up. I'm going to show you the forecast model at noon here today. It's probably close to about 12:15 by the time I do that. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good afternoon. I'll see you on TV in just about 10 minutes.